Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. You're looking at an M Sport bumper that's been fully painted and ready for assembly on an E90. I'm doing an M Sport conversion on my car, and this is going to be the final assembly of all the parts before we mount it on the car. So let's get started by flipping this bumper over and mounting the grills. Now we're going to mount these reflectors. They're smoked. Next up, the kidney grills. Alright guys, so there's the final look on the front bumper. Pretty excited, it looks really nice. I'm not using any double-sided tape on that lip. The way I mounted it and the way I put those holes, it's got a pretty tight gap and it's going to secure itself just with bolts. Nuts and bolts are going to hold it there. I don't have to worry about putting any adhesive tape. At least for now, that's what I think. So I'm really happy with that. Let's get moving on to the rear bumper. For the rear bumper, these parking sensors, I left the rubbers out just so they don't get covered in paint. Next up, the diffuser. All right, there's the rear diffuser mounted. So these are the M Sport side skirts, all painted and ready to go and protected. We got the LCI hood that we're gonna be mounting. And just as an FYI, in case you guys missed it, I painted these at home. I have a video on my channel showing you how to do this. Got pretty good results. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. Final assembly will be this weekend, and I'll be putting up a video once I have this all bolted onto my car. But that shows you how to assemble one of these M Sport bumpers and install one of these carbon fiber AK lips. Looks really clean. I'm pretty happy with the results. And if you guys missed it on my channel, I painted this in my garage at home. So it looks pretty good, nearly professional. Quite happy with that. Thanks for watching. Look out for the last video in this series where I bolt this all to the car and show you what it ended up looking like.
Yeah.